In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the HubSpot platform and create a WhatsApp message efficiently. By following these instructions, you'll seamlessly streamline your communications using HubSpot's powerful CRM tools alongside Google Docs for enhanced organization and documentation. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to your HubSpot user guide, which serves as your comprehensive resource for using the platform. Once you're there, look for a section dedicated to the CRM, your Customer Relationship Management Dashboard. This is where you'll manage contacts, companies, and interactions. Click on the CRM option to enter this hub. Here, the CRM is your command center, housing all the essential tools you need for managing your business relationships effectively. Next, direct your attention to the Companies tab. This section is pivotal for storing and managing all the organizations you are engaged with. It's a crucial feature that allows you to view and update company information, track engagement, and ensure that all team members are on the same page regarding the status and history of interactions. Click on the companies to open up this directory, offering a wealth of information at your fingertips. After you've assessed the companies section, your next stop is the main HubSpot dashboard. From here, you can oversee everything happening within your account. The dashboard provides a bird's-eye view of your current activities, allowing you to navigate more efficiently. Simply clicking on HubSpot on your screen will take you there, effectively placing all your necessary tools within reach. Now it's time to zero in on specific interactions by clicking on the highlights. Highlights in HubSpot allow you to focus on key areas of interest or recent updates that demand attention. By doing this, you ensure that you're always aligned with your priorities and the latest developments pertinent to your work. Click on the highlights to access these crucial updates quickly. Finally, let's move to the core objective of our session, creating a WhatsApp message. Communication is key, and integrating WhatsApp into your CRM workflow can significantly enhance your engagement with clients and teams. In the HubSpot platform, locate the option to create a WhatsApp message. This feature is particularly useful for sending personalized, direct communications to your contacts, making the process more personal and efficient. Once you click on Create WhatsApp Message, you'll be guided through prompts to draft and send your message with ease. By following these steps, navigating HubSpot becomes a seamless experience, reinforcing your ability to manage contacts and communications proficiently. Remember, with practice, using HubSpot with the integration of Google Docs can become an intuitive part of your workflow, making organizational tasks not only manageable but also effortlessly efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to utilize HubSpot to its fullest potential.